Jeremiah Campbell, Brickworks Property Restoration. Today I'm here to share with you some tips on things to look for before you consider your first fire for the season. The first obvious is making sure that your fireplace is free and clear of any animals or leaves. You can do this by opening the flue and sticking a light up and hopefully seeing out the top of the chimney. Next, you want to go outside and take a look at the top. Make sure there's no branches or anything in the way that would inhibit the flow of the draft out of the chimney. The third would be a visual inspection to make sure that the flue system, the crock out of the top, everything looks to be normal, that there's no excessive or open cracks or dangers that you know something isn't looking correct. This goes for internal and exterior. If anything looks out of the ordinary or you can see any open gap or crack, this is something that you want to make sure that you pay attention to. Next, you want to check the inside of the fireplace for creosote. Creosote is a buildup of the burning. It's going to be black in color. It's going to be either fluffy, shiny, or gummy. If you see any of this inside your flue system or inside your fireplace, this is very dangerous. Do not burn. Make sure you give us a call. Next thing I want you to do before your first fire is clean out your ash dump door. That's the door about this big where the ashes fall down. Most chimney sweeping companies will never take the time to clean those out. So you as a homeowner need to take the shop vac and make sure that's completely cleaned out below. Second, above on your smoke shelf, we flip the door back. We need to clean out that area above there as well. The next thing I want you to do is make sure you have proper working smoke alarms in the room that the fire is. Remember, you're actually intentionally catching your house on fire and trying to control it in your fireplace. I know we just threw a lot at you, and if that was a little overwhelming, this is information that you need to know to keep you and your family safe. If it is too much or you don't want to take the responsibility, give us a call at Brickworks Property Restoration at 586-868-3234 or at brickworksmi.com, and we would love to come out and give you an estimate.